A new motor with a larger displacement means a redesigned exhaust suite. Stick around and I'll show you what's new for the VB WRX. Hey everyone, it's Sara from AWE, and this is the product rundown, a series where we go inlet to tip on one of our exhaust suites. In this episode, we're checking out the VB WRX. We offer two Catback configurations for the WRX, both of which we'll go over in this video. So let's get started. I'll meet you at the inlet. Up first is the inlet adapter. This mates up to your factory flange, and it takes things from the factory diameter up to 3 inches, and it serves a dual purpose. For those of you looking to get a little spicier upstream, you can remove this adapter for a true 3-inch to 3-inch connection. Up next is our straight-through bullet-style resonator that works to control rasp and keep it smooth. That, paired with our thick-walled 3-inch T304L stainless, delivers those deep tones as compared to the tinny sound you often get from thinner materials. From our axle, the exhaust wise into the track or touring editions. The track edition features a more simple design, where the touring edition features AWE's patented drone-canceling 180 technology. These are not your typical resonators, so grab shotgun and I'll show you what I mean. Now that we're cruising, we can check out 180 technology in action. Those 180 tech resonators you just saw have a straight-through design so you don't miss out on performance, but what's really cool is they work to cancel drone frequencies. This is the first time we've seen 180 technology on the WRX. Since the new motor with the larger displacement, it called for something a little extra, and 180 technology is just what the doctor ordered. For instance, we're cruising right now at about 75 miles an hour, and you can just barely hear the system on this car. You can still have a conversation, listen to music, all without sacrificing cabin comfort. Now, the track edition will be a little bit different. You'll definitely notice more volume within the cabin at cruising speeds, but hey, there's a little something for every taste. Then, when you need to listen to your system, just go ahead and drop a gear or two, and there you have it. And this is what it sounds like from outside the car. Finally, we reach our quad 4-inch double-walled slash-cut tips that are individually adjustable in and out to suit your taste. They're available in chrome silver like you see here or diamond black. Each exhaust features our perfect fitment guarantee, no check engine light guarantee, and lifetime warranty. Designed, engineered, and manufactured with precision in-house here at AWE for you and your WRX. For more information, dyno data, or to grab one for yourself, head to awesubaru.com. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.